Today we're going to take a look at the SEESII WH700 half-inch impact wrench. The wrench features 479 foot-pounds of torque, a brushless motor, two 4-amp-hour batteries, stepless speed control, and a built-in LED light. The tool comes with everything you see here, plus a sturdy carrying case, and the sockets go from 22 to 17 millimeters. These lug nuts were torqued to 100 foot-pounds, so let's see how this wrench does taking them off. No problem, and we'll do this with an air wrench. You can see that this did take a little bit longer than the battery operated SEESII. And now we'll tighten them back up. Included in the kit is an attachment for your driver bits and drill bits. You just pull it back and insert the bit. Finally, the rubber rings and pins can be used to securely mount or hold almost permanently the socket onto the tool. If you're looking for a well-built, brushless, battery-operated impact wrench, check out the SEESII WH700. I hope you enjoyed this brief video on a quality impact wrench for home or work. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.